Are you planning your summer vacation and considering New York City? A city that never sleeps, New York City offers an array of dynamic and diverse vacation experiences. From its iconic landmarks to its vibrant culture and world-class cuisine, the Big Apple is a summer destination like no other. As we journey together through this video, we'll introduce you to 5 unique summer activities that make New York City a must-visit spot. We'll take you through the lush landscapes of Central Park, the revered halls of the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the sandy shores of Coney Island, the dazzling lights of Broadway, and the culinary heights of rooftop restaurants. Each of these experiences encapsulates the magic and allure of New York City, allowing you to immerse yourself in its vibrant rhythm and create unforgettable summer memories. So, are you ready to explore the city that captivates millions every year? Stay with us as we delve into the top 5 summer vacations in New York City. Imagine a green oasis in the heart of a bustling city. Welcome to Central Park. The park spans over 800 acres and is a favorite amongst both locals and visitors all year round. But it's during the summer months that the park truly comes alive. Let's embark on a virtual tour of the many summer activities you can enjoy here. The park is home to a variety of picturesque spots perfect for a picnic. Lay out a blanket on the open meadows, under the shade of the trees, or near the sparkling waters of the lake. Pack a basket of your favorite treats, and don't forget to bring a good book or board game for some leisurely fun. If you're more of an adventurer, why not rent a rowboat or gondola from the Loeb Boathouse? You can paddle your way around the lake, taking in the stunning views of the surrounding landscapes. It's a delightful way to spend a sunny afternoon. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the park's resident wildlife, like turtles, ducks, or even the occasional heron. For music lovers, Central Park is a paradise. Throughout the summer, the park hosts a range of concerts, from classical symphonies to contemporary pop. There's nothing quite like the experience of listening to live music under the open sky, surrounded by the park's lush greenery. And let's not forget about the park's numerous walking and biking trails. With over 58 miles of paths winding through the park, you can easily spend hours exploring. You might stumble upon some of the park's hidden gems, like the Shakespeare Garden, the Belvedere Castle, or the iconic Alice in Wonderland statue. But no matter what you choose to do, you're sure to find something in Central Park that sparks joy. Whether it's the tranquility of a peaceful picnic, the thrill of a boat ride, the magic of a live concert, or the discovery of a hidden trail, the park has something to offer everyone. Central Park is truly a summer haven in the heart of the city. For our art and history lovers, the Metropolitan Museum of Art awaits you. Nestled in the heart of New York City, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, fondly known as the Met, is a jewel of cultural history and artistic expression. Its vast collections span 5,000 years of world history and encompass a breathtaking spectrum of over 2 million works of art. From the ancient Egyptian temples to the modern American art, the Met is a testament to the power of human creativity. As you journey through its grand halls and intimate galleries, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of beauty and inspiration. The Met boasts an array of collections that include European paintings, armors, decorative arts, photographs, and musical instruments. Every corner reveals a new story, a new perspective, a new piece of our collective past. But the Met is more than just a museum. It's a vibrant, living institution that celebrates art in all its forms. During the summer months, the Met comes alive with a variety of workshops and special events. These offer a unique opportunity for visitors to engage with art on a deeper level. You can take part in hands-on art-making workshops, listen to fascinating lectures by renowned art historians, or even enjoy live performances in the Met's beautiful outdoor spaces. The Met is also home to special exhibitions that change throughout the year, offering fresh and exciting perspectives on art and history. This summer, you can look forward to exhibitions showcasing everything from contemporary African art to the lavish fashions of the Victorian era. And let's not forget the Met's stunning rooftop garden, where you can enjoy panoramic views of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline, a perfect spot to relax and reflect after a day of cultural exploration. So whether you're an art aficionado or a curious explorer, the Met offers a world of wonder just waiting to be discovered. It's a place where the past and the present come together, creating a rich tapestry of human experience. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is a treasure trove that will leave you culturally enriched. Craving for some sun, sand, and sea? Coney Island offers you all that and more. This island, a slice of paradise, nestled in the heart of Brooklyn, is a must-visit for any summer vacationer. Start your day by lounging on the sandy beaches. Feel the warmth of the golden sun rays as they lightly kiss your skin. Listen to the rhythmic lullaby of the crashing waves as you dip your toes into the cool, invigorating ocean. Whether you're a fan of building sandcastles, playing beach volleyball, or simply soaking up the sun, Coney Island's beaches offer a multitude of activities to enjoy. Just a stone's throw away from the beach, you'll find the historic Coney Island Amusement Park. This iconic playground, brimming with nostalgia, is a world of fun and excitement. Take a spin on the legendary Cyclone roller coaster, or go for a gentle spin on the Wonder Wheel to get a panoramic view of the coastline. The park also boasts a plethora of games and attractions that cater to all ages, ensuring a day filled with laughter and joy. And let's not forget the famous Coney Island Boardwalk. This elevated promenade stretches nearly 3 miles along the beach, offering breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. Lined with a variety of eateries and shops, the boardwalk is the perfect place to indulge in some classic American fast food. Treat yourself to a delicious Nathan's Famous hot dog, or satisfy your sweet tooth with a creamy, soft-serve ice cream. As the day winds down, take a leisurely stroll along the boardwalk. Bask in the vibrant colors of the setting sun as it paints the sky, reflecting off the ocean in a mesmerizing dance of hues. The boardwalk, bathed in the soft glow of the evening lights, exudes an air of romance and tranquility, providing the perfect end to an eventful day. Coney Island is your perfect summer destination for fun and frolic, so pack your beach essentials, let your hair down, and get ready to create unforgettable memories at this seaside haven. Get ready for a magical evening as we take you through the enchanting world of Broadway. The heart and soul of New York City's performing arts scene, Broadway is a dazzling spectacle that's not to be missed. It's more than just a street. It's a symbol of joy, creativity, and the enduring spirit of the Big Apple. Imagine the thrill of settling into your seat as the lights dim and the curtain rises. The anticipation builds as the orchestra strikes up the overture, and the stage comes alive with talented performers. This is the magic of Broadway, a place where stories come to life right before your eyes. Summertime brings a host of fantastic shows to the Broadway stage. Whether you're a fan of classic musicals, gripping dramas, or innovative new works, there's a show for you. Maybe you'll catch a revival of an old favorite, or perhaps you'll be among the first to see a groundbreaking new production. From timeless classics like The Phantom of the Opera and Chicago to fresh hits like Hamilton and Dear Evan Hansen, the choice is vast and varied. Now let's talk about Times Square. This bustling hub is the beating heart of the Broadway district. As night falls, Times Square comes alive with neon lights, gigantic billboards, and throngs of people all drawn in by the allure of Broadway. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, offering a taste of the city's vibrant energy. And let's not forget the post-show buzz. As the final notes of the encore fade away, the audience spills back onto the streets, their hearts filled with the joy and excitement of live theater. Whether you're discussing the show's plot twists with friends or humming the catchy tunes on your way home, the Broadway experience doesn't end when the curtain falls. Broadway is an experience that will leave you mesmerized. It's a testament to the power of live theater, a celebration of artistry, and an essential part of any summer visit to New York City. As the sun sets, New York City's rooftop restaurants come alive. Imagine the cool evening breeze, the twinkling cityscape, and the tantalizing aroma of diverse cuisines wafting through the air. There's something magical about dining al fresco, high above the city streets. These rooftop restaurants offer a unique dining experience, combining stunning views with a wide variety of culinary delights. From sizzling Asian fusion to classic American fare, New York City's rooftop restaurants cater to every palate. Feel the day's heat melting away as you sip on a refreshing cocktail, the city's skyline providing a breathtaking backdrop. Each bite of your meal is enhanced by the panoramic views, creating a sensory feast that's truly unforgettable. Whether you're a food connoisseur or simply love a good view, these rooftop restaurants offer an unforgettable dining experience. So, as the city lights start to twinkle, get ready to elevate your dining experience, literally and figuratively. A rooftop dining experience in New York City is the perfect end to your summer day.